Today we're going to be tweaking a drum loop from Splice using Ableton's new drum bus feature. I just want to find an organic sounding drum loop, so I landed on this one. It's 80 beats per minute. Let's pull it over into our session. So you go to Audio Effects and find Drum Bus. That transients knob is my favorite. If you need to clean up a loop, tighten it up at all, just pull that down. It also has a compressor on board. It's an awesome stock plugin from Ableton. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know in the comments what we missed and what we should talk about next.